Let's look at another question from Let's Review Physics, Barron's Review book. On page 31, we're going to look at question 28. An object starts from rest and falls freely. What is the speed of the object at the end of 3 seconds? And remember, because all objects are accelerated due to gravity at the same rate, it doesn't matter what object this is. This could be a bowling ball. It could be an elephant dropped for 3 seconds. All of those objects will reach the same speed after 3 seconds. So let's go to our paper and write our givens. So this problem says objects starting from rest. So that's our initial velocity, 0 meters per second. The time given is 3 seconds. Now it seems like we aren't given anything else, but we know all objects that are falling due to free fall have an acceleration of negative 9.81 meters per second squared. And they're asking us for the speed of the object at the end of 3 seconds. So that's our final velocity. What is that? And we have initial and final, acceleration and time. If we go to our reference table, the formula that has those 4 variables is the third formula. V final equals V initial plus AT. So let's copy that down. V final equals V initial plus AT. We plug in. We're trying to find our final. 0 meters per second plus negative 9.81 meters per second squared. And we're looking at 3 seconds to the future. We do some math. V final, our 0 goes away. And now we're just multiplying negative 9.81 times 3. 9.81 times 3. 3. We get 24. 3 times 9, 27, 28, 29. We have 2 decimal places. So we get a final velocity of negative 29.43 meters per second. If we go back to our choices, we have (29.4). That's good. But if we notice, there's a difference in our signs. All of these have positive values for question 28. We came out with a negative velocity. But if we read closely, this question is saying, what is the speed? And we know speed is just the absolute value of velocity. So we're just looking at the number portion of our velocity. That negative tells us that this object is moving down, but the speed that it's traveling with is 29.43 meters per second. So we have choice 3, our best answer.